Today I am going to explain about Bohr's atomic model, and this is called as Bohr's atomic model. The electrons revolve around the nucleus, protons, and this is called as orbit, where the and these are called as Bohr's model of an atom. This is called as orbiter, and it is named as KLMN and 1, 2, 3, 4 in numbers. This is called as Bohr's model, and the nucleus are present in the middle, and the electrons are revolving around it. And when the electrons moves from lower energy level to higher energy level, it absorbs the energy, and when it moves from higher energy level to lower energy level, it emits the energy. As long as an energy revolves in an orbit and neither and as long as an electron revolves in an orbit, neither loses energy nor gain energy. So these are called as stationary orbit. Dimension of angular momentum are same as that of Planck's constant. Atomic model is only applicable for single electron species. The Bohr's model is primarily used as an educational and simplified framework to visualize atomic structure, explain quantized electron energy levels, and calculated the wavelength of light emitted or absorbed by single electron system. By this, we can understand that Bohr's model would explain the distribution of electrons and stability of atom. However, it would not explain fine spectrum of hydrogen. And this is my explanation of Bohr's atomic model. This is my explanation. What did you learn? I want to ask some questions like who proposed the model? What is the path of an electron called? Orbit. What is the stable lowest energy level called? Ground. What is the shape of electron path? Circular. Which subatomic particle revolves in orbit? Electron. Thank you.